This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and you meet the event level. This prevents wasted attempts. Next, build your resources. Grind Parker runs and daily missions until you have at least 500 currency and 10 chrome shards. Once done, enter the event portal immediately. Timed spawns matter. Make sure to join a low-lag server and enable auto-collect if available so you don't miss shard drops while focusing on movement. With prerequisites met, locate and activate the Chrome event portal. It often appears near major spawn points. Then focus on timing. Use boosts and jump tactics to reach shard clusters when they spawn, because spawn windows can be short. Once you've cleared one round, respawn smartly and repeat. Efficiency wins over brute force. Also, join a small team to increase drop rates and reduce travel time, and trade shard locations verbally so everyone completes objectives quicker and collects rarer drops. After collecting enough shards and currency, head straight to the event shop and claim Chrome Metal Sonic before the portal closes. Items sell out or expire. Then follow the fusion or upgrade path. Combine the base pet with required materials to unlock its Chrome form and confirm the new stats. If you don't receive the pet, first check your inventory and server history, then re-enter the event and reclaim shards. Finally, if problems persist, submit a support ticket with screenshots as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.